Hey guys, Todd here with RC Ohio. I got some stuff in the mail today that I wanted to share with everybody. One box I'm particularly excited about. To the best of my knowledge, what I'm about to show you, there's no other videos on YouTube about these, and I've found very little. I researched the hell out of the internet, and I found very little information on them. So I'm pretty excited about them, and I'm gonna quit rambling here, and I'll just get going on it. These are from Steve Vaccaro of Offshore Electrics. I'm going to start out by saying right away that I've never ordered anything from this company, but I've heard a lot about it. And his turnaround's quick. I mean, it's really quick. I ordered these Sunday night. Obviously, he wasn't in, he wasn't working, and they showed up from I can't see exactly where this is from, but they showed up to my door today. So he got right on it Monday, obviously, and he had a tracking number out to me. And all right, I'm going to show these. I'm excited about them. I really wanted to open them before I got on camera, but I figured I'd do this the right way. Good packaging, very good packaging. So if I'm ordering from Offshore Electrics, obviously I'm involved in a boat project now. Scale out this way we can see. Again, I can't find these anywhere on YouTube or anything, so you can find images on Google, and the dimensions are pretty vague, so I'm going to try and do a better job in case anybody's interested in these. As the decals show, Evinrude, so clearly an outboard motor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is a big motor. All right, so from the top of the motor housing to the bottom of the skag, we're looking at just over, it's about 6 7/8. From the front of the motor housing to the back of the motor housing, we're looking at about 3.5 inches. For a width, we're looking at about 1.75 inches. These motors are supposed to accept, I believe, a 540 or 550 can size motor. My plan is, I've got these two old Titans out of an old Emax that I had. Wired to an old EVX2 that came out of the Emax, and I did a single battery conversion on this. I'm going to grab a screwdriver real quick and pull this housing off so we can see what's inside. No good. Trusty old refrigeration sales. Very nice. This is fiberglass. Those motors are big. I'm really hoping I can get them to fit. We're going to find out. This is what we have on the inside. I'm seeing bearings down there. I like that. It's a good sized prop. Yeah, it looks like it's almost 1.5 inches in diameter. Thumb's in the way. Alright, I'm going to crack into this some more and I'll get back to you guys later. This is going to end up being mounted on the back of this boat with another one on the side. Once I have these mounted and everything, I'm going to bring you guys back and show you a little more about this boat that I'm building. It's a recovery boat for a boat that I have coming. I had to swim for my old boat and I don't really care to do that, so I thought up this recovery boat, and I want to get it built before I take out my new boat, which will also be another unboxing. Alright, well that's all I got right now. I'm going to do a couple more unboxing videos of what I have in here, and I'll post those too. Thanks for watching, guys. Please rate. If you have any questions at all, let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. Please rate and give me a like, subscribe, whatever. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.